In this video, I would like to present you how to export your project from Meno to Webflow. So the first thing which we need to do is click on those three dots in the right top corner and start Webflow app. So this way we are starting Webflow app on localhost. So when we create a new project in Webflow, first, we need to go to our Webflow dashboard and set up there any Webflow app that will be in the development environment. So I will present it in a moment, but first let me open. So I launch development app and then click allow. And right now you can see that in the development environment, our app is created. So basically I just need to click insert and then this app is going through our project where we started this Webflow app and it's starting building the project. So yeah, right now we can see that we have all elements here and all classes has been made exactly the same as they are in this project. In Meno, we also have JavaScript for some components. For example, for this one, we have a JavaScript responsible for opening accordion in the FAQ. So to paste it to Webflow, I have to click here, copy CSS and JavaScript. And if you are inserting entire Meno project, I would recommend to go to the project settings and there paste the JavaScript. But because it's just the test, I can paste it directly here just for this page. And I can publish. So we could test if the JavaScript has actually working. So for example, our accordion is opening and the drop down works here. Let's take a look on the responsiveness. The page is responsive. The drop down here in the navigation works. So everything, okay, this one is not responsive, but this is because I think I forgot to make it responsive in Meno. So if I would change it right here to one column, let's say for tablet 2 columns, then it will be exactly the same in Webflow. So right now, let me show you how you add a plugin. So if we go to the dashboard, you should go to app and integration, develop, and here you can click create an app. You can name it anything. It can be Meno, Meno.so, it doesn't matter. And then when you create an app in your project, this app will show up and you will be able to launch it in the development environment on the local host, which is started right here. So if you click stop, then this app in Webflow will no longer be available. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about classes, because right now you can see those classes are a little bit not user-friendly, let's say, but we have a system for that. And if you start creating components in Meno, for example, let's create a component for this one, which is called heading. And now I will label this element, let's say text. And to make it easier, I will remove, or no, I will actually create a new page. I will call it test. In the meta description, in page title, I can also name this just test. and then I will paste it here. So right now in the Webflow app, I will remove it in Webflow, and in Webflow Meno app, I can pick test and click insert. So it will be much faster because there is much less element. And you can see that this name is heading text. So those classes are quite simple. You just name the component. So this is the first part of the class, and then you name the node inside of the component. So the same way we could do it for button. If we create a component button, then this name will be just a button, and let's rename it to also button. So you will see what happens if we have the same name for component and node. If we have the same name for component and node, they should be just merged into, okay, one moment, because with my mistake, I should import test. Okay, so right now you can see just button. So because component and node has the name button, it was simplified just to class button. Okay, let's think about this one, what we could do. So for this one, if I would create a button and then make this button accept inline styles, and I will change background color to gray 200 and change color to accent color. Right now, if I go to Meno, Webflow, click test, insert again, you will see that those inline styles has been created as a combo class. So in this case it is, and we have some hex color, so we could rename it later as is secondary, or we could do it right here, because instead those inline styles here, I could remove them. I could just create a prop, which is variant. I could make it select default secondary add prop, and then for the background color, map to prop, map to variant, default accent, and a secondary will have gray 200. And now let me change it to secondary. And one more thing is changing color, map to prop, and let's pick accent. Okay, so right now, if we have button with the prop, and I go here, and again, insert test, you will see that this class has a name is variant secondary, and this has color black, color background color gray. So basically this way we have a button and combo class is variant secondary. So this way we create a very good naming convention for Webflow project, but still we can create this project with AI in Meno. So I hope it was helpful. If you like it, let me know. If you have any feedback, also please comment the video on YouTube. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.